Hello everyone, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. It's me Fernando and you have joined with a wonderful video series called Idioms. In this video series, I'm going to talk about idioms, what are their meanings, and some examples will be discussed. So why are we wasting so much time? Let's go to the first episode of our video series. In this first episode, I have chosen Go Ape as my first idiom. What does it mean actually? Does it mean that someone becomes an ape? Not actually. The real meaning of that idiom is someone become extremely angry. That means he or she is very frustrated about something or someone. So we use this idiom to imply that someone is extremely angry about something or someone. Means he or she is very frustrated about a thing or about someone. Listen to this example. She went ape because I was so late. He went ape because I was so late. I hope you listened to that example. So in that example, it said that she went ape because I was so late. She went ape. That really means she was extremely angry. She was extremely angry that because I was so late. I hope that you get an idea about how to use this idiom. So use this idiom as much as possible when you are extremely angry. So with that, I'm going to end this episode of the first video series, Idioms. Thank you very much for watching this video and make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this.